Welcome to Whimsy Stamps and thanks for stopping by. I'm Lisa and today I'm bringing you Whimsy Stamps July 1st release. Please stay tuned for this month's giveaway details and the June comment winner. I'll be announcing that towards the end of the video. But for now, let's have a look at our first product in the new release. Today's product reveal begins with the Happy Elephants clear stamp set and coordinating outline dies. The dies are sold separately. Now you can see here that we have 3 adorable elephants plus a solid image hoof print, perfect for creating backgrounds by randomly stamping it on a card base. You could do these in like a rainbow color. That would be a lot of fun. 4 sentiments in this set and they go perfectly with this set's theme. Now, my favorite is Happy 29th Birthday from your 110-pound friend. Our next clear stamp set in this release is called Free Spirit. Now, the Free Spirit set has so many variations of buildable sentiments with 4 large words and 7 smaller words. Take notice of all the detail in the larger font and how they have a crown above each of the eyes. This is going to play well with all the products that I'm getting ready to introduce to you. This is an amazing set. I was so happy to see this one added to the Whimsy Stamps collection. Moving on to 2 new cling red rubber stamps in this release. First up, Filled with Pride. This is such a beautiful image and it's filled with so much love. The image measures 3 1/4 inches at the widest point by about 3 1/2 inches in height. Now you're getting 3 sentiments with this one. Hakuna Matata and With Gratitude and Filled with Pride. We have a few products in this release that are going to go great with this image. Next up is the Chippy Paint Background Cling Rubber Stamp. Now this stamp is great for creating antique grungy backgrounds. I know I'll be using this on upcoming fall and Halloween projects and it will easily transition into Christmas as well. Moving on to the standalone dies in this release. We're starting out with the Generations die set, and this set includes 3 dies depicting a lion's lifespan. So you could use this die set along with the Howling Knights die set to create your very own Pride Rock scene. Now the smallest die in the Generations set measures approximately 1 3/8 of an inch high by 1 1/8 of an inch wide. The second and final standalone die in this release is the Truck die set. This truck is about 4 inches long by about 2 inches high. I used Whimsy Stamps Clawed Stencil to add detail to my truck before adding it to my safari scene. I'm so excited by the thought of filling this truck with pumpkins from the Build-A-Pumpkin die set. Design team members have a few samples that I know you will find inspiring using this die set, so be sure you check those out. We have 1 hot foil plate in this release, Giraffe. It's a beautiful giraffe pattern. But let's look beyond the obvious for a minute. Use a light blue foil and the Wavy Nested Dies by Whimsy to create a fun swimming pool scene, or use it as a stone path around a pool. The Giraffe Hot Foil Plate offers you a variety of options. Our next product is the It's Sunny stencil. This is a 6x9 stencil with 10 unique sun images just waiting to brighten your projects. This is going to pair perfectly with all the new release products and previously released products like the It's Cloudy stencil or Array of Rainbows die set. So let's follow that with the Wild and Free Slimline Toner card fronts. You have 4 prints included in this pack: cheetah, leopard, tiger, and zebra. Now you're getting 2 each of the designs for a total of 8 sheets that measure 8 1/2 inches by 3 1/2 inches. You're going to need to use these with a reactive toner foil like Deco Foil, and Whimsy has that available for purchase in their online shop. And that's going to bring us to the last products in this release, new blender brushes from Whimsy Stamps. I am so excited that they are carrying blender brushes now. So you're going to have a large and a small blender brush. The small brush, the bristle head, is 3/4 of an inch wide by 1 1/4 inch long. The large brush, the bristle head, is 1 inch wide by 1 1/2 inches long, and you can purchase the brushes individually. That's going to be a wrap for this reveal, but as promised, I have a few samples to share with you while I share giveaway details for the July giveaway. First, let's announce the winner from the June comment giveaway. Drum roll, please, and congratulations to Gabeline15. Be sure to email us to claim your prize. All the details are listed below in the description box for you. Now, for the July giveaway details, Whimsy Stamps is giving away a $100 gift certificate to their online shop. And to be eligible to win, simply watch each of the current month's releases here on the Whimsy Stamps channel and leave a comment. Now, each month, a winner will be picked from the comments and announced in the first release video the following month. Be sure you're subscribed to the channel and click that notification bell so you don't miss the videos. I have to mention that Whimsy Stamps is solely responsible for the prize and YouTube is not associated with this giveaway in any way. Now let us know what you think of the new release in the comments below, and if you found the video valuable, please hit that subscribe button and give it a thumbs up. Also, feel free to share this video with your crafty friends. YouTube seems to really like those things. Now you can click the links below to head over to the Whimsy Stamps online shop to check out all the new release products. Take care, and until next time, please know how much we appreciate you and the time you spend with us.